Hi, I'm Dan Tilbury. I work for the Welsh School of Architecture as part of Cardiff University. I manage the physical workshops here at the university. We have quite a comprehensive workshop of woodworking machines. Some are staff-facing only, and the remaining machines are student-facing. The larger machines are only staff-facing. Myself and my technician use these machines to dimension materials for the students to then take on to other machines. So our main heavy machinery is the Elcon, this Altendorf and a planer thicknesser. Beyond that, bandsaws and sanding machines, pillar drill and chop saws are all used by the students, and we train them extensively. I've suffered back problems for quite a few years, and I found that the machining big 8x4 sheets on my own with just a table saw was really exacerbating my back issues, and the idea of a vertical panel saw was very attractive to help with the strain and the safety element of converting sheets. And I've found that the Elcon is absolutely perfect for that. I haven't really had any niggles ever since, so very happy for that. Regarding the other machinery, we replaced a combination machine which we had upstairs with a planer thicknesser, the Sedgwick planer thicknesser from Daltons, and this Altendorf, which is really the workhorse of the workshop. A few years ago, whilst I was starting to plan this new workshop layout, I had a little accident in the workshop, which was a bit of a rookie error, and it really brought home to me that maybe I was getting a little bit complacent, and obviously if I'm not working to the utmost safety, I can't ensure the utmost safety for our students, which is absolutely our primary aim, is to keep them safe. While actually researching the machinery, I came across Daltons, very much attracted by the Wadkin name. I was trained on machinery which my father owns, two very, very old Daltons machines, which were great. So that led me to Daltons Wadkin, and through those inquiries, I discovered that you offer the training. And as I say, it was a very good timing, because having had this little minor accident, I was able to set up a training session with Warren, who came here to our old workshop space, spent 3.5 days with me, and the training encompassed operation training, but also supervisor training, which is absolutely crucial. It was something I wasn't aware that was on offer at all, really. You know, I've come to this job by being a furniture maker, running my own workshop, so I'm sure I developed lots of bad habits, and the training that I got from Warren really just ironed out all those bad habits, and allowed me to train the students that I work with in an environment of best practice, and that's one thing that Warren really focused on with me, was best practice. I'm very impressed with Warren's personal push stick, which he brings to the sessions. When he pointed out to me that the push sticks that I had been buying were actually too short for safety on certainly on the heavier machinery, I asked whether I could use his push stick as a template and make my own. So I've devised a training session for the students whereby they make their own push stick based on the template from Warren's push stick. So we now have hundreds of these beauties, and we're very grateful to Warren for influencing that. I always tell the story to the students as I'm training them of how the shape and the perfect push stick came about. The exhibition framing system I designed last year in preparation for last year's exhibition. We're reusing it this year. The initial machining for that infrastructure was very heavily reliant on the Elcon. Again, using the ripping function, I converted at least 20 sheets of plywood into strips to make up the legs and the rails for the exhibition frame system. As I say, I was not disappointed in the service that I got from Daltons. The backup has been fantastic. The training, especially on the Elcon, highlighted a couple of functions which I wasn't aware of and have used extensively. So service and training and backup have been absolutely 100%. So much so that I've kind of thrown all my eggs in one basket with Daltons. Not only do they supply our machinery and train us, but they service our machinery and sharpen our blades as well. and I've never been disappointed, and I'm very impressed with the quality of service I get from Daltons.